up in the Guzhtis and in the air ASAP. Gina, Greg, and Briarios, put your heads together and focus on getting that coded signal deciphered. You got 2 hours to figure it out.
Lance, I want you to send me up with the strike force.
I've given you your orders. The others know what they're doing up there. You need to trust them more.
You need to trust them more.
You can forget about that. I mean, I have faith in each person's skills. But you are the only one I can ever really trust.
If that's your attitude, you should quit ESWAT now.
You just don't get it. For someone with 8 eyes, how are you so blind when it comes to me? Sometime early this morning, the Human Liberation Front will mount an assault on Tartarus. If our demands are not met within 6 hours, the Stymphalean will utterly annihilate Olympus. Know that the Stymphalean will be armed with a 20-kiloton nuclear warhead. It's your move. What do they want? For Tartarus to shut off their cryo equipment for a full day. If the cryo goes down, Poseidon is primed to lose decades of progress. Our options? The Stymphalean is being maneuvered by remote control. ESWAT is trying to subvert its communication system. I'll want to get urban planning to take on the situation. Convene the Legislative Bureau and the Senate. I'll need to consult with Gaia.
All right, Gina. Tell me what you've got on this damn thing.
Its comms-link randomly switches between radio, optical, and acoustic transmission modes every billionth of a second. It's impossible to adjust for. There's only one way to stop it. Kill the power to every one of those systems and leave it dead in the air.
Please, tell me you have a plan. Even if we give in to their demands, the Ark project will not survive a thawing out.
Iris, the Prime Minister is aware of the situation. I can't help but wonder if people in the years to come will speak of me as being the leader who gambled everything and lost. We're going to engage it. Go, Iris. Keep Tartarus's gene banks operational. You know what we'll lose if they fail. Decide what to prioritize in the event of disaster. Meanwhile, I'm placing the future of this city in ESWAT's hands.
Topside is a hecaton, Curies.
What's the deal with this signal, huh? It sounds like a fixed rhythm at first blush, but it keeps changing ever so slightly.
You know, it reminds me of something.
A heartbeat?
No, this isn't real. We were going to find paradise together. You promised me.
I'm going to need you to sign this, ma'am. Cyborg consent. Without the hardware, I'm afraid he has no chance of surviving these injuries. I'm sorry.
You're telling me he's gonna die? I'm not gonna let that happen. Never!
Dunin. That pulse is Dunin's heartbeat. They're using her heartbeat to encode their comm signal. It matches up perfectly with my data cache.
Where's it coming from?
Locating now. It's at point 20A32N. If only I'd been stronger somehow. If only I'd been there by your side.
I just want to keep you safe, like Carl.
Carl was an awful dad, and you know it.
I have a little girl on the way. The world's a hell of a place. So I'm gonna toughen her up. That way she'll live through anything. Gotta look out for my own.
Briarios. Olympus.
This is Dunan. Eastwatch, I don't know if you're picking up any of this.
I'm here.
What's going on out there, Briarios?
Listen, Dunan. It's your pulse. They're using your heartbeat to encode the signal. The comms channel's been cut. Damn it!
It'll be within bombing range of Tartarus in approximately 16 minutes. They're using my heartbeat to encode what? My pulse is being used as a control code for the Stymphalean.
You catch on quickly.
Why are you using me?
You make for an effective encryption system.
And if I kill myself, what happens to your little plan then?
Contemplating suicide would raise your pulse to a rate set to detonate the warhead. Not that you ever would. You aren't foolish enough to throw your life away like that. Not even for the so-called greater good.
What's your game?
Our primary objective now is to cut that land main strings. Looks like you're gonna get your wish.
Olympus is our only chance at paradise.
There is no such thing as paradise. In their heart of hearts, people don't trust one another. Mankind almost destroyed itself over it once already, and absolutely nothing has changed. How could paradise possibly exist in such a faithless place? There is no such thing as paradise.
15 minutes until Tartarus is within bombing range. Hurry it up out there.
She's my daughter, and the only family that I have left. Dunan's not ready to handle life on her own, so if anything ever happens to me, she's in your hands, Briarios. She may think I'm a monster now, but what kind of father would I be if I didn't teach her how to protect herself?
Vengeance belongeth unto me.
My heart.
See how the good people of Olympus reward you for your service? I assume they've discovered the unique role your heartbeat plays in our current drama. See how they turn on you? They just as soon put a bullet in you as save you.
He wouldn't.
I never realized it, but at some point I took on Carl's mindset as my own. And that's not what you need from me. I know that now. If I'm going to protect you, I have to protect all of you.
Watch your ass out there, 11-3. Don't get so hung up on the sniping that you forget to dodge that bastard's attack.
Dunin, whether you like it or not, I have to look out for you.
It'll kill you if you get any closer. So for once, I'm gonna protect you! Briarios? How long are we gonna have to live like this?
Until we find our paradise, same as always. He did it.
I'm not reading a heartbeat.
The encryption is gone, and we're in.
We've gained access to Stymphalean's command functions. E-SWAT control at 60% and rising.
Steer it to the intercept point within Olympus. Coordinates 45, 25, 29. Let's take that warhead out of play.
Roger that. It's over. Step out of the landmate with your hands up.
Dia!
You could have saved the woman you loved, but you blew her heart out instead. You've become quite the obedient machine, haven't you? But how? Your heart, it stopped beating, I saw it! I mean, even if a hecaton carries can snipe accurately enough to stop your heart, how on earth did you come back from that? If there's one thing in this world my old man taught me how to do, it's live.
Defending the place we worked so hard to reach. And giving this life everything we've got. No bullet is going to cut that short.
So you gambled on Dunan's will to survive. But she inherited her father's instincts. Genes aren't what saved me. He took the shot for the same reason I jumped. To protect what needs protecting. Our paradise. Paradise. He always spoke of paradise too. Of a dream. What made you do something like this? I want to know why my friend attacked us. Paradise is a fairy tale.
You can't counteract the system. You'll burn out your cortex.
We lost control of the Stymphalean, but I'm not sure how.
Stop this, Dia!
They stole my paradise and my beloved, and I will pay them back 1,000-fold. Stand down, Dia! The next one goes in your head! Oh, I envy you! Your man is still alive!
Get out of that thing's airspace! We're taking it down!
In that moment, were you afraid you were going to die?
Were you afraid?
I felt like I did it to protect you.
I know you did. You said you'd protect me no matter what. That includes what I love.
I know that now.
Honestly, I'm just thankful you're still alive. One day it'll be too late to clear the air. Poor Dia.
She told us she lost her family. She lied about a lot, but I think that part was true. Long before we ever knew her, Dia had someone who made her life worth living.
Sounds familiar.
If you lose those people, or that person, you just stumble through life without a compass. Wanna hit the road again?
Of course, we haven't found what we're looking for yet.